Hey beauties! Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning cut crease. It's the perfect way to add definition and make your eyeshadow pop. This technique gives your eyelids a lifted, sculpted look and takes your makeup to the next level. So grab your brushes and let's get started because it's going to be super fun. How to do a cut crease. Start with concealer. Skip the primer, you don't need it. Take a creamy concealer and blend it into your eyelids. This creates a smooth base and cancels out any discoloration. For a better blending result, take a wet beauty sponge. Let it dry down a little to avoid creasing. Build your crease with two shades. I'm gonna go and use my Huda Beauty palette. Pick two matte eyeshadows, ideally warmed brown or neutrals. I'm gonna take this one first and I'm gonna take my fluffy brush to blend the light brown just above my natural crease. This softens everything and acts as your transition shade. Next, take the deeper brown on a smaller brush and apply it right in your crease, focusing on the outer corner for depth. With a medium brush, I blend the colors together. And remember to blend the colors upward and do not drag it to your lid. Don't be afraid if your eyeshadow looks messy at first sight because we're gonna blend it with another brush. And remember to blend upward slightly to lift your eyes. It's time for the cut crease hack. Here's where the magic happens. Take a small amount of concealer to the center of your eyelid. Look up. The concealer will transfer to your upper lid, stamping the exact line where your lid naturally folds. And then use a flat brush to trace that line, carefully filling the lid space below it with concealer. This also helps us to create balanced look between the two eyes. I am going to drag this a little bit onto the outer corner to create a seamless effect. This works beautifully, especially for hooded eyes, because it marks where your lid crease. You'll always get a visible, flattering eye shape. I'm gonna blend the edges with my finger. Now that the crease is cut, it's time to bring the glam. Choose a shimmer or metallic shade that complements your look. Using your finger or a damp, flat brush, pat the shimmer onto the area where you applied concealer. And blend the outer edge into your crease color, but do not blend too much because we still need that line. For high contrast, you can use gold or silver shimmers. Your cut crease is basically done, but here's how to pull everything together. Add eyeliner. It could be winged eyeliner or it could be tight line. And if you don't know how to apply eyeliner, check out the playlist I have linked here for you. Apply lashes or mascara for extra drama. You can clean up any fallout, or for creating sharpness, you can apply some concealer under your eyeshadow. You can also add a pop-up highlighter to your inner corners and also under your brows. Adding shimmer to your brow bone gives you a more lifted look. And there you have it. This is the easiest cut crease ever. And I know the first time might feel awkward, but don't give up. The more you practice, the faster it'll get. And you know, in this way, you don't need like 20 products or a makeup artist touch. Just a concealer, a flat brush, and this clever move. Okay guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to support me. Give this video a thumbs up and share this tutorial with your friends and whoever you think needs this. And also don't forget to subscribe me for more beauty tips. Bye!